Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing well. This is Rena. Welcome to the Mama Elephant May release. Make sure you all leave a comment down below. Mama Elephant will be selecting one winner on all of the comments for the May release videos. First up, we have a new sentiment stamp set. This is Mixed Wishes Greetings, and I love all the sayings in this one. They're so perfect. I believe this is the handwriting of Chrissy, who is one of the owners of Mama Elephant, and I just adore her handwriting. My favorite stamp in this stamp set is wishing you everything good in life. Love that. Here we have a new Creative Cuts die. This is Cloud Grid Cover, and you all know I love the grid cover dies. I think they make a really awesome backdrop for your little agenda stamps, and these little clouds are perfect for the little unicorn agenda, which also releases in May 15th. I thought we would make a couple of chill cards today. So I always have extra pieces on my desk from making videos. So I had cut out all of these strips from the Slim Scenescape Rainbow ad die from yesterday's video, and you can make 6 rainbows from all of the rainbows that you cut out to make the individual colors. So I thought I would create a rainbow here, and I'm kind of playing with it. It's a little bit bigger than an A2 size card, so I'll be cutting part of the rainbow off, but I think that's fine because I think sometimes when you have images kind of like hang off the edge, it adds a little bit more interest. So I've put together my rainbow there, and now I'm selecting one of the sentiments from the stamp set that is going to be featured today. This is Mixed Wishes Greetings. And I'm just selecting one, and I'm going to stamp it out kind of in the middle of the rainbow. And I'm kind of just playing with where I want to cut it out, because once I stamp it, I'll be cutting it out with the basic rectangles die, and I just want to make sure that I have the placement correct so I know exactly where to stamp my sentiment. I love all the elements that are included in the Slim Scenescape Builder and also the Slim Scenescape Rainbow ad, and I think they would also go perfect on your A2 size cards. So I'm adhering my rainbow here, and from the Slim Scenescape Builder they have these fabulous clouds, and I just wanted to put an edging on the rainbow, so I'm going to place the cloud die cuts on the ends of the rainbow. And then also I had a bunch of little unicorn agendas left, so they're going to be kind of hanging out in the clouds as well. The little agenda unicorns are so super cute. I wanted to use all of the ones that I cut and colored. I also am using the little stars, and this is going to be white on white, so you won't be able to see it because my lighting is really bright, but I like doing the same color die cut on top of the card base. It just gives it more texture, and it looks really nice in person. So I'm adhering my leftover tiny stars, and this is from the Slim Scenescape Builder, just all over the place. And then around the sentiment, I want the sentiment to kind of stand out, so I'm going to adhere a bunch of little tiny gold stars around it. Next up, we're going to work with our cloud grid cover, and I love this. I love the grid cover dies because it makes using your little agendas super easy because you have an exact space to put the image on, and it's kind of a no-brainer, and I love the look of it. So here's what it looks like, and remember, you can also use the inside pieces for a different card or use it as different elements for a different card. So I wanted to stamp out 2 of the sentiments from the Mixed Wishes Greetings in the middle. So I'm popping back in 2 of the clouds, and I'm kind of taping them in. This is the back side because I want to plug in that hole so I have a place to stamp my sentiment on. and I wanted them in the middle. So here is the new Mixed Wishes Greetings stamp set, and I wanted a longer sentiment, so I'm selecting 2 of the sentiments, and then I'm going to stamp them one on top of the other. I'm using VersaFine Onyx Black ink for this. After I stamp out my sentiment, I'm just going to go ahead and adhere the cloud grid cover onto a blue piece of cardstock. The cardstock I used was just a simple Michaels block pad, and it had rainbow colors. I think it was called Pastel Colors, and it was one of those hot buy pads, and it just made it easy for me to select colors because it was all in one pad. I knew that all the rainbow colors would match. So now we're taking the little unicorn agendas that we colored in the last video. I had a ton left, and then I'm just filling in the rest of the clouds. I really like the look of the gold stars to make a halo around the sentiment, so I'm doing the same on this card, and I'm just keeping the gold stars within that sentiment area. I thought my other card needed another unicorn, so I did cut and color another one, and I wanted to put him near the sentiment. So I think now I'm finally done with that card. So now that these 2 are done, I'm going to adhere them on a card base, and I'm calling these 2 cards done. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to join me tomorrow for the last stamp set feature. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.